Do not get affected by this virus, or else you will die. Uh, uh, ah. The following message is being transmitted across the Mississippi Police Department. Hours in Mississippi do not tend to go outside. Friday night funkin virus is spotted again to Mississippi. Hours in Mississippi are soggy, but told to evacuate in the next 2 hours. You do not evacuate, you will face certain death. You have been infected by the virus. Go to the nearest hospital immediately. Stay calm. You get infected, you will be turned into evil. But you can go outside for any reason. You go outside, you will face certain death. Stay tuned, Mona Mason, on this relevant situation. Uh, uh, uh. The down message is transmitted to the Mississippi Police Department. They have many reports that a evil boyfriend that is spotted roving around the streets of Mississippi and turning into evil. All residents of Mississippi are solemnly advised to lock your doors. You have been infected by this virus. Go to the nearest hospital immediately. If this hospital says this, you are solemnly advised to find a shelter in the next hour. You cannot find no shelters. Please are now setting up for Mississippi. You find shelter, get into the immediately. You do not find a shelter, you will chase on to death. Stay tuned, Mona Mason, when it comes to baby, y'all. We evacuation order for Mississippi. The document is transmitted to the course of the Mississippi Police Department. They have been informed that Friday night funkin virus is now spreading to more states. These states include California, Alabama, New York, Georgia, Hawaii, Alaska, North Dakota, South Dakota, anyway, Alaska, and more. Stay tuned, Mona Mason, on this dangerous situation.
We wrap our program. This is the Boys Report Second The John Mexi is transmitted to the President of the United States government. This is not your test. I repeat, this is not your test. The Earth is slowly turning into to black to pink. There is no way. Can't stop evil boyfriend. He's now spread all countries of the world. He accepted that he killed the President Trump. He actually killed most of the world wide. In fact, he killed a lot of animals. And he killed 6.8 billion people. There's only 1 billion people are left on the planet because of this creature can turn people into black and pink virus. There is no stop to stop evil boyfriend. All rest of the United States and the rest of the world, gather your friends, family, cousins, dogs, cats, children, neighbors, and purse for the end. This is the very last time we spread on this planet. Now the end is coming here. For this time, He destroyed many soldiers and he destroyed a lot of states and more countries. Actually, it had been proved that Ursula sort of will turn into black and pink in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Got, get to close all your friends, family, neighbors, dog, cats, and children. Your final minute on the life on yours. This you are putting yours in. Pray your higher wisdom. Romans 6:23. The delaying certain death, the free gift of God, eternal life, Jesus our Lord. This station will now sign off for the final time. One final point on national anthem. Please stand by we can put the final activation of the A-to-C system. Please stand by we can complete the final activation of the A-to-C system. Please stand by we can put the final activation of the A-to-C system. Please stand by. We can put the final activation of the A-to-C system. Please stand by. We can put the final activation of the A-to-C system. Please stand by. We can put the final activation of the A-to-C system. Please stand by. We can put the final activation of the A-to-C system. I say one more last time. We will put the final activation of the A-to-C system. All televisions, radio stations will now go off for the air for the final time. Your government thank you, population, but this is year. This message will now cease transmitting.